Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will see how you can generate an email list for your business. Okay, so if you have started a business and you want to promote your business for free, then be with me because in this video I'm going to show you how you can build an email list for free using Google. Okay, so if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. First of all, here you just have to search for this website. Okay, I will just give this link in the description. You just have to click on that link and you will be directed to this website. Okay, after that just open a new tab and here just search for your business. Okay, let's suppose that you just want to search for different emails related to health. Okay, so what you have to do is just write health. Okay, and after that you just have to select the location where you are targeting. For example, I will just target US. Okay, and after that just write the handle. For example, I will write as gmail.com. okay, so you can also add yahoo.com. Okay, similarly you can also add other handles. Okay, after that you just have to click enter. Okay, this is it. And if you just scroll down this page, then here you can see that we have got minimum results. So first we will change this by going into search settings. Here you can see that my bar is set to 10, so I will just drag it to 100. Okay, and after that I will click on this save. Okay, it is done. After that you just have to click Ctrl+A and you have to copy all the selected items. So I will press Ctrl+C. Now you have to come to this website and here you have to paste all the copy items. So I will press Ctrl+V. Now just drag down and here in the separator you just have to select new line and you have to click on this extract. Okay, so here you can see that we have extracted 26 emails. Now just click here. Okay, and you can just copy it and you can just paste it here. Okay, so here you can see that I have got 26 emails. Now to get more emails you just have to go to this page again and here just click on next. And after that you have to repeat the task you have done earlier. That is, you have to copy all these items and you have to paste it again here. Okay, so if you have a store or shop, then I have also made a video on how to add your shop or store in Google Maps, so you can watch that video from here. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.